Magic Marker, Episode 27, Who's She?
Maxie, Taco, look at this! Who's she? She's my grandmother. Who's he? He's my grandfather. These are my cousins. This is my aunt and uncle. Maxie, my grandmother is here. Hello, Grandmother.
Hello, children.
This is Maxie and Taco. Welcome, Grandmother.
It's nice to meet you. Achoo!
Little Fox.
Magic Marker, Episode 28. What day is it today?
Today is Monday. No, yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday? Oh, no. Today is Wednesday. Time to go to the doctor's. No. Today isn't Wednesday. It's Tuesday. Hey, Maxie, what day is it today? Today is Tuesday, not Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. It's Tuesday. Okay, don't shout. There, today is Tuesday. Time to water the flowers.
Little Fox.